Have you ever considered adding just one avocado to your daily diet? This creamy green fruit is not only delicious, but also packed with astonishing health benefits that can transform your well-being. Avocados are often hailed as a superfood, and for good reason. They are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. Just one avocado contains nearly 20 vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin E, and B vitamins, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. But what truly sets avocados apart from other trending health foods like kale or quinoa is their unique combination of nutrients that work synergistically to promote overall health. While kale is great for its fiber and antioxidants, and quinoa is a fantastic source of protein, avocados offer a creamy texture and versatility that can elevate any meal. Imagine spreading avocado on toast, blending it into smoothies or tossing it in salads. The possibilities are endless. Incorporating an avocado into your daily routine can lead to remarkable changes in your health. From improved digestion to enhanced skin health, the benefits are truly transformative. So, if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to boost your nutrition, grab an avocado and get ready to experience the incredible advantages it has to offer. And for the #1 way to burn fat, click the link in the description below. You won't want to miss this game-changing secret. Nutritional profile of avocados. Avocados are often celebrated for their rich nutritional content, making them a staple in many health-conscious diets. One of the standout features of avocados is their high concentration of healthy monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. This type of fat is known to support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels and promoting good cholesterol. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are an excellent source of dietary fiber, with a single avocado providing about 10 grams. This fiber aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy weight, and keeps you feeling full longer. Moreover, avocados are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Avocados also contain significant amounts of B vitamins, including folate, which is vital for cell function and tissue growth, making them particularly beneficial for pregnant women. Incorporating avocados into a balanced diet can enhance overall health and wellness. Their unique combination of nutrients not only supports heart health and digestion, but also contributes to glowing skin and improved nutrient absorption from other foods. This superfood classification is well-deserved, as avocados provide a versatile and delicious way to boost your nutritional intake. Whether added to salads, smoothies, or enjoyed on their own, avocados are a fantastic addition to any healthy eating plan. Heart health benefits. Daily consumption of avocados can significantly improve heart health, primarily due to their high content of monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats, particularly oleic acid, have been shown to lower levels of low-density lipoprotein, or LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. By reducing LDL cholesterol, avocados help maintain a healthier cholesterol balance, which is crucial for preventing heart disease. Research supports these heart health claims. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that participants who included avocados in their diet experienced a notable reduction in LDL cholesterol levels compared to those who did not. Additionally, the American Heart Association recommends replacing saturated fats with monounsaturated fats, like those found in avocados, to promote cardiovascular health. Moreover, avocados are rich in potassium, which plays a vital role in regulating blood pressure. High potassium intake is associated with a lower risk of stroke and heart disease. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, nearly half of all adults in the United States have high blood pressure, making potassium-rich foods like avocados essential for heart health. Incorporating just one avocado a day into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your heart. With their ability to improve cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease, avocados truly deserve their reputation as a heart-healthy superfood. Weight management. Eating avocados can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey, thanks to their unique nutritional profile. One of the key components that make avocados effective for weight loss is their high fiber content. With about 10 grams of fiber in a single avocado, this nutrient plays a crucial role in promoting satiety, helping you feel full longer, and reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. When you feel satisfied after a meal, you're less likely to experience cravings that can derail your weight loss efforts. In addition to fiber, avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats not only support heart health, but also help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Unlike refined carbohydrates that can lead to energy crashes, the healthy fats in avocados provide a sustained source of energy, making it easier to stay active and engaged in your daily activities. Incorporating avocados into your meals can be simple and delicious. Try adding sliced avocado to your morning toast or blending it into smoothies for a creamy texture. You can also toss diced avocado into salads or use it as a topping for soups and grain bowls. For a satisfying snack, enjoy avocado with whole grain crackers or as a dip with fresh veggies. By making avocados a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their health benefits while effectively managing your weight. Skin and hair benefits. Avocados are not just a delicious addition to your diet, they also offer remarkable beauty benefits for your skin and hair. Packed with essential vitamins and healthy fats, avocados nourish the skin from the inside out. The high levels of vitamin E found in avocados act as a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the monounsaturated fats in avocados provide deep hydration, making your skin feel soft and supple while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. When it comes to hair health, avocados can work wonders as well. The nutrients in avocados help improve hair texture and shine, making it look healthier and more vibrant. The fatty acids penetrate the hair shaft, providing moisture and reducing frizz, which is especially beneficial for dry or damaged hair. For those looking to harness the beauty benefits of avocados at home, here are a couple of DIY recipes to try. For a nourishing face mask, mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off to reveal glowing skin. For a hydrating hair mask, blend one ripe avocado with a tablespoon of olive oil and apply it to damp hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing it out for softer, shinier locks. Incorporating avocados into your beauty routine can lead to radiant skin and luscious hair. Digestive health. Avocados are a fantastic food choice for supporting digestive health, primarily due to their impressive fiber content. Each avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber, which plays a crucial role in promoting gut health. Fiber is essential for maintaining regular bowel movements, as it adds bulk to the stool and helps it pass more easily through the digestive tract. This can significantly reduce the risk of constipation, a common issue that many people face. In addition to preventing constipation, the fiber in avocados also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is vital for overall well-being, as it aids in nutrient absorption, supports the immune system, and can even influence mood and mental health. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're not only enhancing your fiber intake, but also fostering a thriving environment for your gut bacteria. To enjoy the digestive benefits of avocados, consider adding them to your meals in various ways. You can slice them onto salads, blend them into smoothies, or spread them on whole grain toast. The creamy texture and rich flavor make avocados a versatile ingredient that can easily fit into any meal. By prioritizing digestive health with foods like avocados, you're taking a significant step toward improving your overall health and well-being. Versatile ways to enjoy avocados. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be seamlessly incorporated into a variety of meals throughout the day. One of the simplest ways to enjoy avocados is by adding them to salads. Try a refreshing avocado and citrus salad, combining diced avocado with mixed greens, orange segments, and a light vinaigrette for a burst of flavor and nutrition. For breakfast, avocados can elevate your morning routine. Consider making avocado toast by mashing ripe avocado on whole grain bread and topping it with poached eggs, cherry tomatoes, or a sprinkle of feta cheese. You can also blend avocados into smoothies for a creamy texture and added nutrients. A delicious green smoothie could include spinach, banana, almond milk, and half an avocado for a filling and nutritious start to your day. When it comes to dinner, avocados can shine in various dishes. Try adding diced avocado to tacos or burrito bowls for a creamy contrast to spicy flavors. You can also create a simple avocado pasta sauce by blending avocado with garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil, then tossing it with your favorite pasta for a quick and satisfying meal. Encourage yourself to experiment with avocado-based dishes, as their mild flavor pairs well with many ingredients. Whether you're enjoying them in salads, smoothies, or spreads, avocados offer endless possibilities to enhance your meals while boosting your nutrition. In summary, incorporating just one avocado into your daily diet can yield a multitude of health benefits that enhance your overall well-being, from promoting heart health through healthy monounsaturated fats to supporting digestive health with its high fiber content. Avocados truly deserve their superfood status. Their rich nutritional profile not only aids in weight management, but also contributes to glowing skin and shiny hair, making them a versatile addition to your meals. As we've discussed, avocados can easily fit into a variety of dishes, whether it's a refreshing salad, a creamy smoothie, or a delicious spread. By making avocados a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy their numerous health benefits while adding flavor and texture to your meals. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the incredible advantages of eating avocados every day. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and delicious recipes. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about the amazing properties of avocados. Together, let's embrace a healthier lifestyle and make the most of what nature has to offer.